Arrive in style with this Hummer 2007 H3 SUV. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are sunroof, power extra large, audio system feature, monsoon performance enhanced, premium 7-speaker system with amplifier and rear subwoofer, engine 3.7 LDOHC 5-cylinder STD, luxury preferred equipment group, audio system with navigation, AM/FM stereo with CD player and DVD integrated navigation, seat and interior trim cloth, STD, seats front bucket, transmission 4-speed automatic electronically controlled with overdrive and wheels 18-inch. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.